A digital twin for smart buildings is a virtual copy of a real building that updates in real time using sensors data. It connects information from HVAC systems, energy meters, air quality sensors, and occupancy data into one intelligent model. This digital replica allows building managers to monitor temperature, energy consumption, and indoor air quality using a single dashboard. With a digital twin, you can predict equipment failures, optimize energy usage, and improve occupant comfort before problem happens. Smart building digital twins are used in offices, hospitals, airports, and campuses to reduce cost, increase sustainability, and enhance operational efficiency. Simply, a digital twin help building think smarter, operate better, and perform more efficiently.